Good evening, everyone. Anthony Wall Street Trader, 9:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday, December 3rd, 2021. The same financial advice. It is educational. Scrap the rest. We're going to scrap the intro today. Too much going on. A lot of nervous Nellies out there. ETH US dollar, 41.39. It's okay. It's okay. We're not in bad shape here. It's just a tight. We're in a tight zone here. Doesn't mean that we can't fall out. I'm just precautioning everyone on this who's listening to this video, because anything's possible in any investment. Just know that. In the meantime, this is a channel. It's going up March of 2020. The lower line is called the support line, and that's the thing we got to look out for. We did hit it, actually, 40.81. We're 41.38. We're still kind of low in that zone over there. But we do have another area of support over here, but it is really short term, so you got to be a little careful here. So we'll see what happens. But in the meantime, support certainly around 40.70, something like that, with a little bit of resistance up here at 4,400 again. Now let's go over to ETH Bitcoin. Yes, this is still going up. This is the pennant, and I'm telling you, pennants have always driven more returns in my portfolio than the patterns, I should say. Patterns have driven more returns in my portfolio than trend lines. But this is not only a pattern, it's got a trend line too. So we know we are directionally going in the right direction, and certainly, you know, a nice giant pullback on this pair over the last few days, all the way up from 83.55. Now we're sitting at 78.40. We do have support though around 7,700. So keep your eye on that. In the meantime, Bitcoin is on a downtrend now. I drew this trend channel right before the video, just so you can see. We have support right now around 50.56 and resistance at 58K. All right, let's go into Bitcoin dominance. What's marvelous here is that this thing's still kind of sideways choppy, and yet I think overall money is being equally withdrawn across the entirety of the crypto market, which is fine. I think in general, what we have to see here is, I think that whole aspect will stop, and I think we're going to continue to start to see this thing probably go sideways. I don't think it's going to go straight up. I don't think it's going to go straight down. I think it'll go sideways. If it does go straight up, it can be going straight up for one of two reasons. One is massive rally in Bitcoin, you know, meaning a lot of money starting to come right back in to pump it back up again, or massive fear. So we're going to have to see. But right now, Bitcoin's kind of sideways chopping right now, but we're at 52.77, but the sideways chop is very, very short term here. Sideways chop has been going on since 8 o'clock, which is only an hour and a half. So we'll see what happens, see if we can catch a bid on this. Otherwise, we could be in for a pullback down here, which is around 51,000. If we cut below that, next areas of support are 48K, with one way below that around 41K. Anyway, I'll keep you posted on Twitter.